memory ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. The ring of fire. The ring of fire.
In trouble, you see, he stand about 6'4". All the downtown ladies call him treetop lover. All the men just call him sir. And it's bad, Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town. Better than old King Kong, and meaner than the junkyard dog. Now Leroy, he a gambler, and he like his fancy clothes, and he like to wear bells and diamond rings and honor everybody's nose. He got a custom Continental, he got a Eldorado too. He got a 32 gun in his pocket for fun. He got a razor in his shoe. Yeah, it's bad, Leroy Brown.